Good morning, everyone. I am Krisha Mange, and today I'll be speaking about a fascinating topic combinatorics in cryptography and cybersecurity. So, this is my presentation, which I will be talking about. In today's digital era, where almost everything from banking to communication happens online, data security has become a top priority. Behind this protection lies a powerful branch of mathematics called combinatorics, which quietly strengthens the system that keep our information safe. Understanding the combinatorics. Combinatorics is the branch of mathematics that deals with counting, arranging, and selecting objects. It helps us determine how many possible combinations can exist within a system. In cryptography, combinatorics creates complexity. The more possible combinations there are, the harder it becomes for anyone to guess or break a system. This is what makes modern encryption so strong, even against the powerful computers. Combinatorics in cryptography. Cryptography, the science of protecting data, relies deeply on combinatorical principles. Key generation. Encryption methods like AES or RSA depends on huge key spaces. For example, a 128 key has around 2 to the power 128 possible combinations, an unimaginably large number that makes brute force attacks nearly impossible. Permutation and substitution. Rearranging and replacing the elements are direct applications of the combinatorial arrangements. This ensures that even a small input change creates a completely different output. Hash functions. This use combinational mappings to prevent two distinct inputs from producing the same hash, maintaining data integrity and uniqueness. Through these methods, combinatorics helps cryptography secure everything from online payments to private messages. Role of combinatorics in cybersecurity. Beyond encryption, combinatorics plays a crucial role in cybersecurity system. It helps in analyzing, detecting, and preventing the cyber attacks. Password strength. The number of possible combinations of characters determines how strong a password is. For example, an 8-character password using mixed characters can have billions of combinations, making it hard to crack. Network security. Combinatorial models help the design to secure data transmission paths and network topologies. Intrusion detection. Combinatorial analysis identifies unusual combinations of user actions that could signal a cyber attack. Access control. Combinatorial logic manages the right combinations of permissions so that users only access what they are authorized to. In short, combinatorics help security systems to stay smarter and more efficient. Combinatorial complexity as a defense. One of the greatest strengths in cybersecurity is something called combinatorial explosion. The rapid increase in the number of possible configurations as systems become more complex. This explosion makes brute force attacks nearly impossible. For example, even if a hacker tries every possible key combination, the number is so massive that it would take thousands of years even for the faster computers to succeed. This concept forms the basic of conceptual security, which assumes that breaking encryption should take an infeasible amount of time and resources. As technology advances, cryptographers keeps increasing key sizes and algorithm complexity, staying ahead through the power of combinational growth. To conclude, combinatorics may seem like simple mathematics, but in reality, it is the invisible armor of the digital world. Every password, encryption key, and secure connection relies on it. It gives cryptography its strength and cybersecurity its resilience, ensuring that even in an age of supercomputers and quantum threats, our digital information remains protected. Combinatorics truly bridges mathematics and security, turning numbers and arrangement into shields that defend our digital lives. Thank you.